Let's build a winter Lolita cord together. In my head, I really want to do it with one specific JSK that is from my cousin that I haven't had a chance to wear yet for mental health reasons, and it is this one! Isn't it so cute? And it's made out of this really soft, like, suede fabric, so we're gonna put this on. Okay, now we have the dress on. Let's accessorize and put on a petticoat. Okay, adding in a petticoat so you guys can see the difference too. Although this dress is made of suede, so it's pretty heavy, and we're gonna see if it weighs it down at all. Well, I still added a good amount of poof. That's good. That's good, honestly. I personally think this OP would look so cute with I can't think of what these are called, little bandana. So let's add in a little bandana. Okay, take the hair out. I was debating bringing out some front pieces too. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll bring down a couple of front pieces just for a little face framing. And I think that looks pretty cute. Yay, let's do it. Okay, this is where we're at so far. I think this would look really cute with an apron, so let's go add one. Open up my apron drawer and let's see what we got and what will match the bandana. I'm having such a hard deciding, but I think I might just go with this like more sheer one versus like any of the ones in here. Oh, I actually think this looks super, super cute together. They're two different shades of cream, but I feel like it's sheer enough where you don't tell too much. For earrings, I'm just gonna put in some really simple gold hoops because it's a very like cottagey cord today. Adorable. For socks, I don't think I'm going to use anything printed. I think I'm just going to go for some like warm knit over the knee socks. Mila moment, she's hiding in my closet. Like literally anything from out of here with these like knit socks, but I'm going to go for some like more cream colored ones if I can find any. Worst case, we're going to use these. I think these are really cute because they have little wooden buttons on them. And I know they're not Lolita socks, but honestly, Lolita socks can be very thin. And even the knit ones can also be on the thinner side. And I don't really want to do a print, so we're just doing normie socks. For shoes, I never get to wear these. I'm not going to wear Lolita shoes because obviously it's cold. And I was otherwise going to wear Uggs, but I wear Uggs so frequently with my Lolita cords. Tell me why a bunch of seashells just fell out of my shoe. Like, where did these come from? Where did these come from? Anyhow, this is the finished cottage core-y cord for today. Very simple, just for indoors in the cold. Hence the suede, the thick fabric, the knit socks, the fuzzy suede shoes. We just want to stay warm out there. Thanks.